Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the community of Mona, and Mona is right beside the University of the West Indies campus, and on the other side you have Ligani, and then it's also bordered by Old Hope Road. It's very close to the Papine area. So this is the main road that we're driving through in Mona, and I don't know if it makes sense we comment on the state of the roads because this is just what the roads look like in the residential areas. Alright, Mona is right next to the two largest universities in Jamaica. So you find that a lot of students rent rooms or homes in this area. So we're just going to take a quick tour through the area so you can see what it looks like. It's probably a 5-minute walk from Mona to the campus of the University of the West Indies, and probably a 5-minute walk from the other end to the campus of the University of Technology. So you're very close to both other major universities. That's the Mona Primary School on the right, Mona Heights Primary School. Okay, this looks like a parking lot over here. I was wondering if it was somewhere where they do driving lessons, teach people to drive. Well, I don't think it's over there, but there's a spot like that somewhere up there. Now, Mona is a very large community, hundreds of homes, maybe even thousands. Very large community. And as you can see, it's fully developed. You're not going to find a lot of empty lots up here. Now the roads in Mona are named after flowers. So we're now turning on to Daisy Avenue. In the same way the roads in New Kingston, or most of the roads in New Kingston, are named after Caribbean countries. Okay, we're on Garden Boulevard, and this is the main road that leads you through the area. Okay, we're going to turn right now on Violet Avenue. And the Mona community is on both sides of this road. As we said, thousands of homes. Okay, straight ahead, that's Beverly Hills. That hill, like some major development going on up there. Okay, that road is Anturium Drive, the one on the left. This one is Lily Way, and we are on Violet Avenue. This one is Pathodia. I'm assuming that's a flower. I've heard that name before. This one is Gardena Avenue. So the university has a lot of dormitories or dorms, but there are so many students that they don't have enough rooms to rent on campus. So that is why a lot of people rent rooms or houses in this area because it's so close. Okay, straight ahead is a gated community, very large. Okay, where this gated community is where they used to do the driving test, where they teach people to drive. It was an open lot. And they would set up the stones and you would practice reversing, you would practice parking, you'd practice the hill start. But they've built this complex over here now, which is good because you have to admire the progress. Okay, the name of the complex is, it's a very large complex though, Aquedo. So where we exit now, straight ahead, if you turn left where those cars are turning, that would take you to the University of the West Indies campus. Okay, straight ahead, I think that's the Hermitage Dam, and people always go walking over there. Water Commission operates it, but you can't just walk over there. You have to go and get a pass from Water Commission, and I think you have to pay. We tried going over there once and the security told us that we needed to get a pass, and they don't issue the passes over there. You have to go to the Water Commission office. I think he said Marasco Road, some other location, which was kind of weird. Alright, so this is still the Mona area. I wonder if these roads in Jamaica would ever be all fixed. And you know, I can't remember. Were the roads always? I know they were never this bad, but I can't remember having so many potholes, especially in the residential areas. I went to school in Jamaica, and I just can't remember the roads being so bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.